Hey, let's install the Rotopax Tire Carrier mount. This mount works on all of our Sprinter, Transit, ProMaster rear tire carriers. So the one with the ladder, without the ladder, it'll work on all of them. You will need the Rotopax branded mount itself or the knockoff brand ones. The adapter that you're buying is just to get this Rotopax mount onto the tire carrier stud that comes with it. As always, it's good to lay all your parts out, lay your tools out, make sure you've got everything, and we'll get started. First step is to get the adapter mounted up to the Rotopax mount. The thing you want to make sure you do is get it clocked the direction you want your Rotopax to go. So dry fit it on the van, make sure that it's the right direction, and then we will bolt it all together. You're gonna drop the screws down from the top side. The washers go on the back side with the nylocks. Next, we're gonna take the little wing screw here, the thumb screw, and get it installed. Make sure you don't get it threaded in too far that it sticks down past the hole yet. Then is the quick release pin. This is just a pin with a cotter pin so that when you need to get to your tire, you can just reach back there and pull it out. You could substitute this for a locking one if you wanted to make this more secure, but it comes with this kind of quick release pin. You can see it's on there real good, and that pin is doing the majority of the work to make sure that this thing never comes off. This little thumb screw here is to help tighten this up so that it takes that little bit of rattle that's in there just from the slop of the pin. So you can tighten this thing down. Careful not to reef it too tight. If you really want to, you can put a little bit of Loctite on there just to make sure that doesn't vibrate back loose. And you're ready to put your Rotopax on. If you're looking for a way to carry extra fuel or Rotopax on the back of your van and you've got a tire carrier, this is a great option. Check it out on the website. If there's something we didn't cover or questions you have, hit us up at customer service. We'd love to help.